Hello, my name is Andrew. I'm with Premier Distributor, and today I'm going to be telling you about how to use the clock and task intelligent system through the control panel right here. First thing, I'm going to give you an in-depth tutorial on how to use the work task under the human resources right here. If you haven't done the work schedule tutorial and you need to learn how to create a schedule, I would suggest going back and doing that tutorial first before you actually move on to the work task. But let's just get started. So go to under Human Resources, click on Work Tasks, and it'll pull up this next page. Now the work tasks is actually when a person clocks in at your establishment. They will just clock in, and what will happen is a little piece of paper will print out as they clock in. It will tell them the exact date and time that they clocked in, but it will also, you can also give them a specific task. So this is just going to show you how to do that really quick. So there's several different things like task, short name, task description, task link, and they're all for different purposes and things like that. But the first thing you want to do is you want to select a store right here. Just highlight that. That's the store. And you want to pick one of the stores. There's two of them created right now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit store, just the first store. So all the employees under store I'll be able to pick. So what I want to do is give them a task. Short name is open sign. Okay, and just give a little description. Turn on open sign. Turn on open sign. So then that way they know what to do. If you're working in an office and they need to go to a specific URL for their task, you can give them the specific one. So then you just gotta type in whatever it is. If it's on a Facebook page or something like that, you can just type that in, and it will just work out for them. Then you can pick what days the task should be completed. So if you want to, every day that someone comes in and clocks in, that someone should be assigned this task or a specific person. Or you can just like say this happens on Mondays or Tuesdays or Wednesday. So if you're open every day of the week, then you just got to hit all. If you're open Monday through Friday, just select the days that you want to do that. But we're just going to demonstrate with all of them selected. Then what you want to do is you can select, so the people who do this are in the opening shift, the midday shift, or the close shift, and you can do that for everyone. But since it's an open sign, turn on the open sign, we want to only do it for the open one. But if different task, if it was sweeping at the end of someone's shift or something like that, then you could do it at the end of the opening shift, the end of the midday shift, and the end of the closing shift, and you can give them specific ones. Obviously, it needs to be completed within the first hour of getting there. So then we need to make sure that they turn it on. So you can specify. So if they need to get something done, or don't forget to go to the bank, and you want to give them a little bit of time because you know they have a lot, you can say you need to get to the bank within the first 3 hours of opening, or you can say the same, like getting to the bank within the first hour, within like an hour or two after closing or something like that. And you can give them a specific time that you would like them to do this. But we're just going to do this one right here. So it'll say completed within the first hour. Then what you want to do is you can pick an employee, the first employee that you would like to have this. So I'm going to pick Bianca. And so when she comes in and clocks in on Monday or whatever, then she will be given the job to turn on the open sign. Now, let's say Bianca calls in sick or something happens, she's not able to come in, then we need someone else who can do this. So I'm going to put Joe as second. So if Bianca never clocks in, Joe will receive that command when he does clock in. So that way someone will always turn on the open sign, so he is the second choice after Bianca. So then he will be given the job to turn on the sign. And then all you have to do is hit create task, and open sign. Opening, midday, and every day of the week, and it gives it right here, and it'll list it right here. So then we can create other tasks like sweeping, and I'm not going to change the description or anything, and I'm going to have that only on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays for this store, and I want it to be every day at the end of shift, 1 hour after ending the shift. And I want Andrew to do that, and if Andrew can't do that, then William is going to do that. So then I'm going to save that task, and then you'll have another task to be completed. So now if you want to edit that task or something like that, what you got to do is you got to go over here, and you can actually go and hit the edit, and you can go and change anything that you want on that, and then you can also hit X to get rid of it. And then you can change that, so then you don't have to worry about it. Then you can just start again and do another task, and you can keep on going and add more and more tasks for the daily duties and everything that people will be doing, and so that everything will be complete and it'll be very time efficient. So it's a great little tool to use for your establishment, so you should definitely take advantage of it. Again, my name is Andrew. I'm a Premier Distributor. Thank you for watching.